Hey guys, I have not done one of these in a while and I wanted to, so I'm gonna do two different colors here and then a color here, and then someone had recommended that I do the line this way because the last time I did it along these lines, but this time I think I'm gonna blow this way. So let me get my colors down on the canvas. Now I taped off right here. I'm gonna remove the lines and the colors will bleed together. I really just taped it off to get an idea of thirding the canvas there. I'd already painted my sides, so I'm gonna blow these two out, then I'm gonna remove the tape and I'll come back and show you how I do this last part. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the tape. And in this part right here, I'll just pour the green, and it gave me a pretty decent line. The paint is not dry. Some people asked that the last time too, is did I let this paint dry first? The answer is no, because I'm gonna be blowing around on it. But when I get to this part right here, I just try to be very careful. Whoops. See, I say that I'm gonna be very careful, but then I'm not. Okay, and then the rest of this can just go regular. Okay. All right, I'll blow this part out and I'll be right back. Okay, so even with the tape, I'm not perfect along these lines. I actually got pretty wonky, but when I blow, I'll just make sure to kind of blow along those as well. So I think it should work out fine. I had originally thought I was gonna do I may still do a little bit of gold, but I'm gonna leave out this light blue because I want kind of darker colors in contrast with the white here. So I'm gonna start with Winsor blue, and I'm just gonna do it kind of like a straight line, straight wobbly line. And then maybe just a touch of gold. Not much though. I do not want a ton of like light gold in here. Then I'm gonna come with just a touch of yellow, not much at all. Through this area, I'm okay with it, and then not a ton here either. Then with my purple, actually I think I wanna do a little bit of the bronze in here now. Kind of carry that color throughout. And I think I'll do the same thing with the magenta. Just a tiny little bit. Then I'm gonna come back with my purple. And then I think one more time with blue, and then I'll finish it off with white. Oh, I don't know what this is gonna look like, you guys. Looks a little muddy as it is. So we'll see. I feel like my white's getting lost along the green. Okay. Okay. Oh, wish me luck. It does not look like much right now, I'll tell you that. Okay, but first, just to help the paint move, I'm not gonna blow the paint over, but to help it move, I'm gonna pour it along those sides for each color. This is just to help the paint move. It'll get blown off basically. And it dries flat. A lot of people ask me that too. Okay. Oh gosh, wish me luck. All right, I think I'm gonna blow from the center and blow up that way first. is stunning. But I did another one that was like this, and the same thing. It was this magenta color with that copper that was beautiful. I like that it's not like fully symmetrical. I don't normally like pours when they're like that. I might blow just this one little area right here. So that some of the, I'm not touching that side. I think this is really cool. It's busier than I normally do. That had a lot of paint right there. It's definitely busier than my usual. And I don't know what it looks like on your side. I can't get over, that's literally this side over here is just amazing. It looks like the colors are like peeking through. All right, let me show you. You guys also aren't getting like what the colors really look like because I don't want to blind you, but I have those lights. So when I take it inside, you guys ask me that a lot, like it looks much different, but it's because I have these bright lights on it. So when I take it inside and it dries and I show you guys, you'll be able to see. Now these may look muddy now, but they're gonna dry with that metallic copper and they'll be gorgeous. I love that blue and white and purple there. I kind of like the yellow actually in it. I'm loving this green center. Let me see if I can get you in on some of the details. And then this side over here also, look at all that crazy lacing. So all in all, I actually I like the color scheme. I don't know, it's a little busy for me, so I'm gonna see how it dries. I may fiddle just a little bit with some of those middle portions, but overall I really like it. So I will show you guys the dried result. Okay, so I really like this piece. When it was drying, I kept looking at it like, ugh, I don't know if I like this or not. But the colors, it's Winsor and Newton, I guess, dried so much darker that I really love it because the white and the purple in the center, I mean, first off, look at those beautiful, remember I told you those cells, those would all come out just looking amazing, and they did. And then just the pop of color that's through the center, I like it. Now I did go back in, it was a little messy, so I went back in and I fixed these, and it looks like it's raised, but it's not. Like that's just the coloration of it. So it's definitely not raised, even though it looks like it is. That's flat. So I think that will go away once I varnish, but I mean, it just looks almost electrified up here, and that shine on it, you guys can't tell, but man, those pops of color. I love that full bronze metallic down at the bottom and the little splash of gold that's there. I'm really pleased. I thought I was gonna hate it, and I really like it. So, all right, you guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Happy painting. Bye.